Hello, I am the Simple Trader, and on this channel we talk about stocks that have massive potential upside. It's simple. I'm looking to build up my investment portfolio, so one day this could be me, and I want to share my journey with you. Please stick around and support me by hitting that subscribe button so you get to see all the latest content first. It's just so simple. Here today, I'm going to give an update on NIO stock, my position, and present to you 4 reasons why this stock, in my opinion, is still undervalued big time. If you are looking to invest into NIO stock, then stay to the end where I give you my opinion on the best entry point and position sizing. As always, please note I'm not a financial advisor, so everything on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. Stay tuned. 2 weeks ago I launched this channel with my first video on NIO stock. In that video I shared with you my stock position on NIO, which at the time was 215 shares at an average cost basis of $15.93. In my second video I correctly predicted that the stock price would likely see a surge in the coming days due to a big wedge pattern forming. Lo and behold, on the day I published the video, the stock caught on fire and jumped an astronomical 22% to the upside. I have since added 50 more shares at a cost basis of $21.70, which means now I have a total of 265 NIO shares at a slight increased cost basis of $17. With the current price of NIO floating around the $26–29 range, this represents around a 60% return on my position. Am I looking to sell yet? Simply no. If you want a simple in-depth bullish report on NIO stock, check out my first video, link is in the description below. So without further ado, here are the 4 reasons why NIO is still undervalued big time. We are expecting NIO October deliveries and sales results in the first week of November. There have been some hints from Lee Bin himself that the current demand for NIO cars has already exceeded their current production capabilities, and they are looking to expand production imminently. If the statistics to be released are positive and break their previous records again, I expect the share price to spike upwards. We are expecting NIO to launch their first sedan vehicle, which would rival and provide serious competition for the Tesla Model 3. It is anticipated that this will be launched at the NIO Day in January 2021. Recent images of a sedan-looking NIO car surface on the web, which hints that this is the widely talked about EE7, which is rumoured to go into production in 2021 and for deliveries to begin in 2022. We need to realise that Tesla stock only really exploded once they had started making profits, and also with the release of the Model 3. This took Tesla close to 14 years to achieve. With NIO, we are clearly on the same path, but we are at close to the beginning, and you do not want to miss this gravy train. Analyst Upgrades. There are just too many to report, so I've picked out the best. This month we have had Citigroup upgrade NIO from neutral to buy, with their price target increased from $18 to $33. JP Morgan also upgraded NIO to overweight and also raised their price target from $14 to a gargantuan $40. JP Morgan, they even admitted that they missed the stock's major rally year to date. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jones issued a report that they believe Tesla, who are NIO's current biggest competitor, will have 0 sales in China by the year 2030, and he does give some very valid points. Are you serious? So what, in 10 years time, Tesla is not going to be selling cars in their current biggest market, which is China? Wow, what does that mean? So who's going to be selling cars then? NIO? CNN business analyst price target for NIO jumped up to $135 over the next 12 months, with a low side estimate of $44 and a high side estimate of, check this, $269. Yes, $269. These guys are definitely on something. We should always take these analyst reports with a pinch of salt, but so far the stock price is moving with the bullish upgrades, and this is good for NIO. Positive news and brand awareness. According to a leading Chinese study on the automotive web portal BitAuto, which measured how likely a customer is to refer a car brand to other people, NIO was both the highest ranking premium brand and overall brand, 54%, beating Tesla at 52% and BMW at 42%. NIO further beat Tesla again in JD Power's 2020 China New Energy Vehicle Experience Index study, coming in as a top brand in the BEV segment based on problems per 100 vehicles. Now this just tells me how serious NIO are treating their services both before and after sales. This is huge. I mean, 6 months ago, not many people even heard of NIO outside of China. Now for the juicy part I believe you've been waiting for. If you are looking to start a position in NIO, I would review your current portfolio and assign a percentage you would feel comfortable with knowing in that in all likelihood this stock poses some risk. Then determine whether you want to swing trade this stock for short-term gains or invest it in for the long term. If you are swing trading this stock, now is actually a perfect chance to get in, and preferably before the run up to the October results, which should come in the first week of November. If you are wanting to get into NIO stock for a long-term hold, then honestly, now is the time. Whether it's $26, $22, $28, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter that much when the stock gets to $100, $200, even $300 in a year or two. The most important thing, I think, as a long-term investor is to accumulate the shares over a period of time. As I laid out in my previous video, I think anything up to a $30 is a strong buy at the moment, and anything up to a $40 is still a buy. Take those suggested limits and start to accumulate shares and try to dollar cost average in. Once the stock flies over $40, which I believe would happen maybe even before 2020 is over, then simply sit back and let your shares run. Or, like me, continue to accumulate shares and keep reviewing the risk-reward ratio. This will allow you to set a fundamental stop buying level, at which point you just sit back and let the stock run. This I will go over in my next video. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. This will help the YouTube channel out greatly. I am the Simple Trader and will simply see you next time.